it's Judy Klock at Stampin' with Crafty Klock. Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel to check out my latest video. I hope that you like what I have in store for you. Ready? Let's go. Hey Stampers, it's Judy Klock here at Stampin' with Crafty Klock. I hope everyone is doing well tonight. I am just going to give everybody a minute. It's not quite 7:30, so I'm just going to give everybody a minute to hop on and see if I can find where everybody is. Let me see if I can follow along. I got it on my computer. Woohoo! Getting better. I'm trying something new tonight. I'm using a bigger lens that I'm hoping will capture more of the work area. So we're gonna just give everybody just another couple of minutes to hop on. If you're here, go ahead and give me a hello. Give me a thumbs up or a heart or a hug, or let me know that you're watching so that I can be sure to give you a shout out. Let me know what you think of the whole new wide angle camera. Let me know if you think it works better, if it shows more work surface, or what we should do. All right, so it's 7:30 now. We have a couple of people with us. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So yesterday I got, hold on, I just dropped part of my demo. Yesterday I got my paper pumpkin in the mail, and I was so excited because this kit looks really cute. If you've never done paper pumpkin, this is what it is. It's a complete kit. It comes to you with everything you need. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at it. So this month's kit is cute little gingerbread, and it comes with an ink spot. It comes with a stamp set. It comes with this lovely wrapping. It's like opening a Christmas present. It comes with full color instructions, and it comes with everything you need to complete the project. And this kit I like because it is so versatile. So look at this cutest little gingerbread looking kit. And we're going to do 3 different things with it. The kit is meant to make these adorable little gift card holders. Isn't that cute? And they have these great little envelopes that are actually already decorated. You don't even need to do anything. So we have these great little envelopes and these cute little gift card slides right in there. You can write a little note to your person and slip it in and send it off. Or you can make it into a regular card. Let's say you're giving a hostess gift over the holidays, or you want to put something, a little note on one of the gifts you're doing. You can make this into a regular card, write a little note, throw it in the envelope, and stick it in the gift bag or on top of the box. Or option number 3 is you can actually cut the little house apart and make gift tags to tie on to your gifts. So we're going to go ahead and get started. There are 3 different designs. You get 5 each of 3 different designs. You get one with a yellow door, you get one with a light green door, and then you get one with the dark green door. If I can take it off, it's stuck. So those are the 3 gingerbread houses that you get. Of course, you get envelopes for all of them. You get some plain white inserts. We're going to use 2 of these. And then you get some labels. We'll use 1 of each of these colors. All right. Then you get these pre-printed ones. Aren't these cute? We'll use a couple of these. Everything is already pre-cut. All you got to do is punch it out. You don't have to cut anything. You get some Stampin' Dimensionals. You get some embellishments. You get the tear and tape. And you also get the little glue dots. So let's go ahead. Let's make our gift card holder first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to punch out all these extra pieces. And nobody wants to see paper pumpkin tonight. Okay, I get it. That's too bad because there was going to be a surprise at the end, but I guess you'll never know now. So there's going to be a kind of a cool giveaway, but nobody's watching, so you're not going to know what the cool giveaway is. Okay, so we're going to take these and we're going to take our Blushing Bride, and I'm just going to use the big one rather than the little one. I'm just going to keep that one closed up, and I'm going to just stamp, use these decorative stamps that came with the stamp set and stamp it right on here. Okay, these are so quick, so easy. These are photopolymers, so of course I'm using my Stampin' Pierce mat, and then I'm going to use some on the top. And we're just going to go there. And the stamp actually has a little cutout to account for that little cutout in the top of the tag. Boom, how easy was that? Let's stamp some sentiments on our labels. If I can remember where I put them right here. And again, I'm just going to stamp this in our Blushing Bride. That's the only stamp set I'm going to use tonight. I'm sorry, the only ink pad I'm going to use tonight is just our Blushing Bride. Let's see, more merry and happy holidays. Okay, easy peasy. And I'm also going to stamp one of these little blank houses. I'm going to decorate that one up too with our big fancy stamps. There we go. So how is everyone doing tonight? I hope you're all doing well. And then I'm going to stamp this in here with the to from, because that's going to be for our gift tag. All right, let's start off by making the gift card holder. So I'm going to put a piece of tear and tape on that flap. Okay, just like that. Rip that off. I'm going to add some mini glue dots to the bottom. And we can use the glue dots that came in our kit. Again, everything that you need is in this kit. And the first time you order, you will get a clear block. And you can use that block for all of your projects. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to fold that over. Maybe. I don't know where my pick tool went to. I've got to find that. I think it's in here somewhere. I think I might have put it in a case. I have to go find which case I put it in and take it out so I can use it. In the meantime, I'm using like a paper quilling tool, which probably not the best, but it'll work for now. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this over. Okay, we're going to make sure that holds down. We're going to add one of our pieces. I'm going to add a couple of dimensionals on here. Just going to pop that right on over our gingerbread. I think this is such a cute kit. I really can't wait for the December kit. That's going to be very special. It's berry comforting. Berry. It's going to have like bears on it. All right, let's get that off there. We're going to put that on there. We're going to affix a little label to it. Doesn't matter which one we use. I think this one might say Happy Holidays. Oops. And there we have our gift card holder. So there you've got your little gift card holder. Okay. Now let's take this one and we're going to make this one into just a regular card. So I'm going to take my paper snips and I am going to just cut off my paper snips that I had over here for the longest time that have now managed to somehow walk off. Let me get another pair. Be right back. Okay. Sorry about that. Pardon the interruption. We're just going to snip these off. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're not going to put any adhesive on there. That's going to be our card. I'm going to take one of our decorated fronts. I'm just going to add that. And the thing I love about Paper Pumpkin is that the kit's already designed. There are many people that like to do alternate projects, but you know, I do enough of my own designing. That's when I get these kits, I kind of like the fact that it's really already done for me and I just get to stamp and assemble. I don't really have to really be all that creative. And all these people that go, I'm just not creative. The project's designed. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. All right. Well, it's again, I wish people were watching live. because if you watched live, you were going to have the chance to win a prepaid subscription for 1 month to a paper pumpkin. If you've never gotten one, this was your chance. So there's our project number 2, a very quick and easy little card. Now for our third one, we're going to take this one and we're going to cut it. We're going to cut this flap off again because we're not going to need that. And then we're going to cut this in half. And we're going to get 2 gift tags. Okay, so now we have the one that we've already decorated that can fit over that door. So we're just going to go ahead and put this right on there. And before I put that on, I am going to flip this over and I'm going to stamp the "To From" on the back. Okay, so we've got the "To From" on the back. Now I'm going to add this to the front. Look at all my little dimensional covers all over the place. Okay. Got my little dimensional cover on there. I'm going to add a little tag. Okay, and again, just popping these on with dimensionals. Okay, that one's going to stick to my finger, I think. And then for this one, we have this little tag that we decorated. Again, we're going to pop this on with our dimensionals. And we're just going to make sure that that stays on our card. Okay, let's take these off. Woo. So I could get those off. I don't know why I turn it sideways, I just do. Okay, we've got that. And I'm going to add maybe some of these fun little embellishments to it. Put one up there. Maybe we'll put one above the star. You can just do whatever you want. I'm going to come in, I'm going to take a little tiny punch. I'm going to punch a little tiny hole in the top of each one. I'm going to come in with some twine that I have laying around. This is just some, I don't know, some old baker's twine I had. And we're just going to go ahead and put that through. If you'd like to order it from my website, there is my code. So go ahead. And if you're watching live, please let me know. Hi, Susan. How are you? I'm glad that you're here. We're going to go ahead and put our baker's twine through that one. We'll cut off another little piece. We'll put that through the other one. Now, if you want to do alternate projects, I encourage you to go ahead and Google like Stampin' Up, Paper Pumpkin, you know, alternate projects. Go on Pinterest. There are a ton of design ideas out there. Like I said, for me, the beauty of Paper Pumpkin is that it's already designed. I can follow along. I can change it up a little bit if I want. But if not, I can just do what the kit has laid out for me and I am good to go. And there's always enough pieces to make your own projects. So these are the 3 projects we did tonight. We did a little gift card holder out of our November Paper Pumpkin. We made a little card for a little gift enclosure, and we've done 2 gift tags. So 1 kit, 3 different ways. You just got yours today. Isn't it fun? I love this kit. So that's it for me. This was just a quick little easy one tonight. Again, if you need to order any supplies, please go on to my website, craftyclock.stampinup.net. That is my host code for the month of November, TCZBDJP2. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'll see you again next week right here on Stampin' with Crafty Klock. Bye for now.